Are we good? Now watch us be good now. So, I'm Erica Page.
I'm Casey Cooper.
And what show is this again?
I don't know.
Why do we always do that?
Casey Eureka. So earlier, me and Casey, we were walking through my house, and we noticed that there is a particular animal all throughout my house.
I know.
Everywhere.
You think it might be cool, like a tiger, or
No.
something like a porcupine? Nope.
No.
A
it's
little more
cock.
cliche. Yeah.
A rooster. They're everywhere.
Everywhere.
All over my house. I think we counted like 98. It's a little bit insane.
Wait, what are we doing?
So today we went kayaking, and it was so much fun.
It was. I got massively sunburnt. Like, ow.
So take a look at our kayaking adventure.
What's up?
Hey, I'm Erica Page.
I'm Casey.
So we're chilling outside my house waiting for my mom to hurry up and get ready.
Yeah, it's really hot out here.
It is very hot.
Oh,
I can't wait to get into the river.
Are you guys riding in the back?
Yeah. I don't know. Are we?
I don't know. No.
Let's do it.
Hey. We're riding in the truck right now.
Right.
On our way to kayaking.
Rusty Shackelford.
Hey, so we are finally here at the river, and we're about to go kayaking. As you can see, we have on our life jackets.
Yeah.
And we are very ready and prepared for kayaking. It's going to be fun.
It's gonna be scary. I'm gonna fall.
I think it's gonna be fun.
It might. Let's see. We'll let you know.
Bye. What up?
What's up?
Oh man, we just got off the river and I had a lot of fun. I mean,
I'm
look at us,
sunburnt.
we are so sunburnt. Like, look at my legs. Wow.
feeties.
It's crazy. But I had a lot of fun. Did you, Casey? It was Casey's first time kayaking. I've been kayaking a few times
I've never
before.
been.
But it was really fun.
It was scary. I fell a lot.
I didn't even fall in once.
Actually, I just fell in once, but it was bad. Like,
but
it was bad.
yeah, it was fun as crap though. But we gotta go change clothes, so we'll catch you later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Running. We break your neck. These are really salty.
They are really salty.
I think I need some juice, some sweet nectar to wash it down.
We just microwaved this CD. Casey, what are you doing?
I was just getting a drink.
Those are my dog's treats.
Erica, why do you have those treats out? They're supposed to be in bed. Your mom told us to go to bed.
You just came and were eating.
I'm going to bed. Erica, come on.
I'm coming. Alright, so keep on watching our videos and commenting them and subscribing.
Yeah.
So I guess that wraps up this YouTube video for all you all YouTubers. Turn my swag on.
Come here, girl. Who your name is? Where you from? Turn around. Who you came with? Is that your ass or your mama house right now? I can't explain, but damn, since I came here, I'm still sucking for cornrows. You know, change that. Your body is bad, but mama, with your brains, I'm still sick. Cat, when I was young, running with bad boys, but now I'm off the hook, so I'm running with bad boys. Like no other man, and another man can't do it. What's with another young lady? Y'all help me. Won't you please help me? 8 girls this week, and it's only Tuesday. I like the cocky but legged ones. A lot of Dominicans, Spanish and Asians. Shake it for Casey's son. No, that makes me sound like a lesbian.